First, you're going to get your reference and make a color layer above it in a light color. I'll use light blue as this is a manga manuscript scanning technique I learned about a long time ago. Then we're going to draw over your reference with a very dark color, preferably black. Then hide the reference layer when you're done using it, and continue to finish the artwork. Export your time-lapse video and upload it to a video editing program. I'll be using CapCut since you can use it on mobile and PC. Then split the video on the time-lapse right before you drew the black lines, and another split before you hid the reference layer. On the first part of the time-lapse that you cut from the main video, you will turn up the brightness, turn up the contrast, and turn down the saturation. Now your reference layer will be hidden in the time-lapse. Lastly, export the video.